Guys, it's time to complete your 4,000 watch hours and your subscribers immediately. Now let me remind you what you are forgetting. Do you know that Bb9ja is starting tomorrow, being Saturday? It is an opportunity for a smart creator, a smart YouTuber to pick up this show and blow up his or her channel. Now, how do you do it? I'm going to take you through in this video today how you can get materials for this show, the best way to narrate this show so that it does not have any copyright, and how to edit it. Very, very important. So if you check the video for what I have said, you'll find out that this video is going to take a little bit long, but our advice is to just calm down and grab this whole thing. Yes. I don't know, you might be missing my editing videos, but today I'm going to tell you that there's this particular way that you can react to Bb9ja show and you will never have copyright with YouTube, and you'll be cashing out big time, guys. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into tutorial immediately without wasting time. All right, guys, what you need to do is to go to Instagram. Go to Instagram. When you get to Instagram, go ahead and type Bb9ja. Okay, Bb9ja show. Bb9ja show. Okay, then search. Look at this one now that came out, Bb9ja live TV. Let's tap on it and see if we get something from it. As you can see, this person almost just started. Let's type again, Bb9ja show. Let's see another option it has for us. As you can see, all these things are Bb9ja show. So follow those people that are actually bringing out the blogs. So look at this person, trusted blogs. Check out the person's video and see if the person is up to date. From 26, you will see that a lot of people will be uploading. Look at this person now. Look at this gossip boys. Check out, just get source from anywhere you know you can get, or you can use your TV and be getting a lot of source. Okay, if you don't want to use that format, that is the #1 step on how to get materials for the show. Okay, now you have gotten the material, that means you know what the material is all about, what it's talking about. You now go to your camera phone. Look now, as you see me, I will just be saying, you just react over the video. You'll be like, wow, see what this person did. Maybe it's someone that is coming. The person's name is David. David, that guy is hot. Someone, you need to see. This year season will be so hot. React, okay? React to exactly what you watched and put in the main story, the main apricot gist. You get, you know, this is all about you giving them gist back to back. Spice it up, guys. Spice it up and do what is needed. Okay, once you are done, just go ahead and tap okay. You are done recording. Then you go off from there. Now head over to your Capcut. Head over to your Capcut. Now, like I told you guys, that I'm going to teach you another method that you use without having copyright. There's the first one that I made. That one you see in my channel, so go ahead and watch it. I will tag it in the description of this video and also under this video, so I will tag it as one of my card in this video. Two options has to come to your mind. Do you want that video to play first before you start reacting, or you want your video to play a little before the video comes up? So for me, the best way to do this so that you get more audience is for the video to play a little, even if it's just 2 seconds. Okay, then you start displaying your own. We go ahead to employ our footage, which is the videos. So first of all, you have to bring in your own video first. Let's assume now that this is the video that I just created for the Big Brother Naija show. I will add it up. All right, once I add it up, I will now go ahead and tap on overlay. Look at it here. Listen very attentively because this place might confuse you. Just go ahead and tap add overlay. Then you now choose that your Big Brother Naija show that is just downloaded or you just screen recorded in your phone. Let's assume it's this particular video I have here. Then you click on add, highlight it, you go to crop. We just want to make sure that it's a little bit fitting to the screen. Go to crop. All right, then we use 4:3 to see if it can bring in the video a little bit. So once it's like this, so bring it a little bit to fit in the screen. Once you are done doing that, go ahead to type on good. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit covering the screen. Even if the whole body is not showing. I don't mean it's a YouTube video, it will cover everywhere. So let's just manage. Now it's covering your own video. Now what you need to do now is go to that your own video, increase the volume. You go to that your particular video you got from Instagram or Twitter, go ahead and reduce the volume, or you can keep it at 1 or 2 or 3. Just let the volume be lower. You know what I'm teaching you? I don't want you to have copyright on it. So this is the best way to do it. All right, now what we need to do is that this video will play a little. Once the video, you shift the video a little bit, at least something like 3 seconds or 2 seconds is okay. Now it's at 3 seconds. You come here, highlight the video, the one you overlaid, the Bb9ja, highlight it, click on split. Okay, once you click on split, you shift it back, the one that is remaining at the back, shift it back. Have you seen? Your own video will come out. So guys, I don't know what is happening. You know, actually I said something on the videos. I don't know why it's not showing up here. So this is the way you can do this without having any copyright. Once the video play a little, something like 3 seconds is okay. You now bring in your own video by doing what? Splitting the video. Now let's assume that we want to split our own video from here. Okay, we highlight our own video, then we split it. What we need to do now is to bring this one, this overlay. That place we splitted it, we have to start the Bb9ja from there to cover our own, while our voice will still be saying on the background. My voice is supposed to be saying, but I don't know why it's not saying. So once it plays a little and you yourself want to react again, you will now come and click on the overlay, which is the big Brother Naija, split it, you shift it again so that your own face will come up. Okay, so this is how you be doing it till you find out that the whole thing that you just screen recorded or the whole video that you just downloaded, all of them you have used it. Let's give it more space. Okay, let's say this is where it ended. Okay, this is now the main show. Now let's play. Just watch the screen. I don't know why my voice is not coming out. As you can see, I'm narrating over it. Next thing, boom, it will come up again. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Guys, with this and the other of my editing video that I posted in this channel, also if you don't like this one, go and take that one. You can never have copyright doing this thing that I just showed you. So this is how it can be done without having copyright, guys. So guys, stop sleeping, level up the game and gather all the subscribers that you want and watch hours being completed. So don't waste time, okay? Dive into this. Gather it first if any other thing. Besides, YouTube encourage doing multiple niche in one channel. So what is there? If you know that you can do it, do it. Unless you don't want to do it. Like someone like me, I have another channel where I'm doing things like that. So that is where I'm doing this and I'm about to complete the watch hour over there. So with this, I'll complete it without wasting much time. So that's the game, guys. See you guys in my next video. Take care. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. God bless you. Bye.